Can I have a volunteer, please? Do you want to come up? Give a round of applause. Bring your chair, please. So, you had a partner a moment ago that you did the whole advice thing with, right? Whatever the problem you brought up for that partner is, please don't bring it up here because I want you to save that for the next exercise. Is that okay with you? Okay. However, I would like you to offer me another genuine problem that's very small and that you're willing to have the world know about.
I get upset when people make promises and then they go back on them.
So you get upset when people make promises and go back on them, right? And how, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 is complete trauma and freak out, and 0 is like, I am Zen Buddhist. There's a 6? Okay. My preference for this exercise for the rest of you guys would be like a 3 or a 4, just because we don't have too much emotional intensity interfering, right? But I'll take the 6, why not? When someone promises something and then they don't do it, it upsets. Is that right? How do you know you're upset?
I feel angry, I feel frustrated.
Yeah. Where in your body do you feel that?
I feel it in my solar plexus.
Wonderful. The only reason I'm checking for the emotion is just that we have a contrast point later on. And that's the 6 that you were talking about, is that right?
The what?
The 6 that we talked about earlier on, is that the feeling or is that on top of that?
That's the 6.
That's the 6 there, that's good. That's what we want to know, good. Excellent. And you know, you tried things to resolve it before, have you?
Yes.
Yeah? And is there a reason you want to resolve this?
Is there a reason I want to resolve this? It's unpleasant to feel angry and frustrated.
It's unpleasant to feel angry and frustrated, yes. Right? So you have a situation where people make promises and you rely on those promises, and then if they go back, it's disappointing and that frustrates you and you get angry and you get upset about that. Mm-hmm. And you'd much rather feel what in those situations?
I'd rather feel calm.
Calm.
Accepting. Being able to let it go, not take it personally.
That's it. You don't want to take it personally, mm-hmm. Right? You don't want to take it personally. So you can be more calm and accepting. Mm-hmm. So in other words, when you're not taking it personally, you are being more calm and accepting, is that right?
That's right.
Now, I have a sense you're thinking of a specific situation right now, is that right? Yeah. So just as an idea, what if you were to step outside of your body so you could see yourself there talking to that person, and that person is just giving you the bad news that they're breaking their promise?
Okay.
And as a mind kind of watching that body, how does that feel? Better?
I'm upset.
As a mind? So who's upset? You watching the body or the body talking to the person?
The body talking to the person.
Right. So as a mind observing that interaction, how do you feel there?
More neutral.
More neutral. Right?
Mm-hmm.
More neutral. So just start doing that. Notice what happens. Because you know how to do this. You know how to be more neutral. You know how to be more calm. You know how to make it less personal, you know? Now the body in front of you doesn't know it yet, so what if you were to teach the body how to feel more neutral? Wouldn't that be something nice?
That would be very nice.
Now I wonder how you're going to do that. Yeah. I think that's a good idea.
It is a good idea.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Doesn't it feel good?
It does.
So if you were actually in the body talking again, disappointing thing back, how are you?
As the body.
Yeah. Is it a 6 or has it gone down already?
It's gone down.
Yeah, what number?
3.
We're at 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think if we wait around it's going to go down even further?
Have a little bit more of a conversation.
Yeah. And as you have that conversation, do you notice how you being different changes the nature of the conversation so that actually the whole thing is better for both of you? Does that happen?
Yeah, absolutely.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
So when you take it less personally, they take it less personally, and it's much more pleasant for both of you.
Yeah, well, they don't know about it. The conversation is
No.
between me and myself.
No, of course. But you're different. You're different when reacting to them, and they're going to sense that, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're smiling quite widely for someone being disappointed.
I like the process.
You do, don't you? Well, it's your process. What can I say? I'm just sitting here waiting. Is it a 0 yet, by the way?
Is what?
Is it a 0 yet?
Yeah, right now it feels like 0.
Wow. How did you do that?
I don't know, you're good.
I'm just talking to you. I'm just giving you some advice. And it is good advice, isn't it? Don't take it so personally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I've been giving myself that advice for a while.
Yeah, but there's ways of giving yourself advice and there's ways of
That's
giving
right.
yourself advice, right?
That's right. Absolutely.
I'm glad you switched.
Yeah, me too.
Feels good, doesn't it?
It does.
Do you think you'll continue it?
I'm sure I will continue.
I wonder how many other situations that would have been disappointing can come and you'll go, hey, I actually get to enjoy it because I proved to myself that I can be all Zen.
I wonder too.
Yeah. Of course, now in Zen it's okay to get upset, right?
No, absolutely.
Get it? How are you doing?
I'm good.
Done?
I don't think so.
Give a round of applause, folks. Thank you so much.